get hung up. Yeah. That's why the stakeout poles are nice, because you get like right here and you just go. But that's what I wanted to do, just kind of see, like, you know, when you do this, what kind of stuff do you need? And that's a giant house over there. It's incoming tide, so it'll get higher. I was looking at it last night. I can't remember what time it was. Yeah, because it's so shallow, the water's pretty warm in here. Might be able to like go around the corner to get out of the wind a little bit, maybe. Exactly. It's going to be tough catching fish today because of the front that just came through. It is. It's just kind of floating through. Really? I was kind of looking at some shorelines. I haven't seen any fish. Water's a little low actually to be fishing in the mangroves, but you can sure sneak up on them though. Let's go back around the other way. Yeah, a lot of bait in here, a lot of minnows. Yeah, we'll go back around the other way. I think that's where he said there's a couple lakes over there. Yeah. Right. I love this. I mean, I like I said, I haven't done it before, but I already love it. Especially since the... Oh yeah. Especially since, like I said, the kayaks I'm looking at are much wider than this, and...
First I felt very tense. My back, my legs.
Yeah.
Now it's like, now I'm so comfortable and I don't feel this tense.
Yeah, once you kind of like relax your upper body and your legs and everything, it's just, you know, just kind of keep your head in the center line and you're good. Now, most kayaks now are so forgiving that you have the initial stability like that little wobble, but then if you move over more, you got like the pontoons a little bit on the outside that grab you. Hey, I don't want to go any further down that way, man. There's whitecaps out there.
Yeah, that's back around here.
Yeah. Against the wind. Yeah, if you just kind of, yeah, exactly. It's kind of like quicksand, man. The more you struggle with it, the further behind you get. Why, you got something? Oh. If I can't reach it, like straight behind me, I'll just stand up somewhere shallow and get it. That's what's cool about the kayaks.
I'm like, I don't feel the damn anchor back there.
I'll tell you what, I don't know if I'm ready to try anchoring yet. That can get you in trouble. Well,
no. I'm just saying.
I mean, in shallow water, it's not a big deal. If you're in deeper water, it can get you in some trouble. Especially like if big boats are coming by, you know, and you get the wakes. And oh yeah. These kayaks don't track too straight either, like the ones I'm looking at. You know, you can kind of, you paddle a couple strokes and you let it stop and you just keep going straight. But I mean, if I can do all right in these things, I figure the other ones will just be like a battleship. See, I think they'd like doing this. I think they'd like doing this. They probably just need to be more in summertime, you know.
It does. It needs to be more that. We first started across that bay, I thought, what are we?
Well, I was fully expecting at some point, and it still could happen that I flip over.
No, but I'm thinking, you know, wind blowing, my back's already starting to get stiff, my arms are starting to hurt. I'm like, yeah.
If you need to readjust, like just like lift up like this and sit, scooch back or whatever.
Once I'm relaxed and sit,
Yeah.
Don't fight it, and I'm 100% better. My back doesn't bother me.
Yep. Now these seats will get you sitting all day fishing, but those other seats we looked at, like the lawn chair ones, they're supposed to be the bomb. But like if you had one of those Hobie kayaks in here, one of those Slayer propels, you could just be like, just kind of cruising along. But yeah, as long as if you're all relaxed, you kind of make good headway. Yeah. I think my kayak's shorter than yours probably. It's shorter. Well, yeah, it's shorter and wider because I'm heavier, so they wanted something that's... Like I said, I went around the other side of that, and I'm like, where's this go? It just comes around that side.
I came down through here like a balloon. I'm like, Dave, we're in that corner somewhere.
I was just...
I don't want to get too far away in case the current gets too far.
I was just